My name is Alison McDougall. I'm the Strategic Assistant for our Managing Director within the division, and I've been working at Atkins for 4 years. The first team I was part of within Atkins was a team that involved a very high volume of work. And my initial role as a finance administrator involved raising hundreds of invoices. It was decided that we would try and automate the process, and I worked to do benefits analysis, user acceptance testing, trained the team, a whole load of experience which was absolutely invaluable, and I definitely learned an awful lot. When our division was originally formed, certain parts of the business were using our project management tool and certain parts of the business weren't. And I was asked by my then line manager if I would be willing to carry out some of this training. So I said yes. The idea of standing up in front of senior project managers and directors was absolutely terrifying, but I did it. I realised that I actually knew the subject material quite well. One of my colleagues asked whether I would help create a new tool which was all about prioritising all of the different opportunities within the market. My role was mostly around data crunching, and I worked a lot with the client directors and the client managers to understand what was going on behind the data, and that involved presenting at a few workshops and senior defence meetings, which was very interesting. And all the relationships that I built through doing that have definitely served me well. My role at the moment is quite varied, working on reports, preparing for meetings, collating lots of evidence and information that might be useful. I also get to be part of meetings and provide staff perspective. If I were to give somebody some career advice, I suppose it would be the good old say yes to opportunities. I've definitely said yes to quite a few things which initially I thought, oh my goodness, why have I said yes to this? But then afterwards I've realised that A, I could do it, B, I've learned an awful lot from it, and C, it's just a fantastic opportunity to try something new. You have to be prepared sometimes to do the more mundane stuff, to maybe try something new and accept that by doing that you'll probably gain some respect and understanding of what you're working on, and then be able to do the maybe more exciting stuff. I'm not an engineer, I'm actually a linguist, and I think people underestimate the fact that there are loads of opportunities within Atkins that aren't just engineering. It's not all bridges and nuclear power stations, there's just so much going on to be involved in.